Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make a touch glowing cube. These are the materials required to make this project. Firstly, solder the components on the PCB as per this circuit diagram. Let's first test it for its working. Making a contact with the touch wires turns the LED on and removing the contact turns it off. Now we will make the body for this circuit. For that, cut out the cardboard piece of size as shown. Hot glue the circuit board onto this cardboard. Bend the touch wires in the shape as shown. Make sure that the circuit works properly. Then cut out the paper of dimensions as shown and fold it to give a shape of a cube. Hot glue this paper cube over the circuit board. With this, a touch glowing cube is ready. These cubes will glow on placing over any electrically conductive surface. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.